Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find all devices where your account is logged in on TikTok. First, let's quickly make sure that TikTok is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find TikTok. If there's a button Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now, head over to TikTok. In the down right corner click on Profile icon. Profile page will show up. In the top right corner click on 3 lines. Pop-up window will show up at the bottom. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now you can see a list of options. Scroll down and find an option called Security. Click on it. Here click on Manage Devices. Now you can see all the devices where you logged in. If you are not sure about some device, log out and change your device. That will be it for this video. Follow us for more content like this one. See you in the next video.